Welcome to Review Source. Whether you're dealing with high-pile carpets, hardwood floors, or stubborn dust in those hard-to-reach corners, versatility isn't optional. We need tools that can transform on the fly to handle stairs and upholstery without losing power. Today, we're covering the best lift-away vacuums, chosen for their suction power, advanced filtration, maneuverability, and real-world performance. For more details and the latest prices, you'll find all the product links in the description below. Now, let's get started. We're starting with the Shark AZ2002 liftaway, and this thing is an absolute beast. It packs a 1,344-watt motor that delivers some of the strongest suction we've seen in a consumer upright. It uses the Duo Clean Power Fin system, which combines a soft roller for hard floors and a finned brush roll that digs deep into carpet fibers. There's also a self-cleaning brush roll, so we don't have to worry about long hair wrapping around the axle. The powered lift-away feature is the standout benefit here. We can detach the canister to reach under furniture while the brush roll keeps spinning. Customers consistently praise its ability to pull fine dust and pet hair out of carpets that looked clean. However, it's not perfect. It's a heavy machine, and those aggressive rollers can make it feel like it's trying to run away from you. Some users have reported issues with the front roller stopping over time, so while it's powerful, it requires some care. It's a high-end, high-performance choice for those who prioritize raw cleaning power over everything else. Next up is the Shark LA502 Liftaway. This one is built for homes that need deep cleaning but prefer a lighter footprint. It features the same Duo Clean Power Fins and self-cleaning brush roll technology as the heavier models, which is a win for pet owners. It's specifically engineered to pick up more hair than standard models without the maintenance headache. The HEPA filtration and anti-allergen complete seal are great for keeping the air in your home fresh. We love how this model feels almost self-propelled on carpets, making it much easier to push around than the AZ2002. Feedback shows it's a star on wood floors and stairs because it's so maneuverable. However, there's a bit of a cynical side to the durability reviews. While it performs like a dream out of the box, several users mentioned that it feels a bit less tank-like and reported parts breaking after about a year of heavy use. It's a fantastic lightweight performer for daily hair management, but you'll want to treat it with a bit more respect than the older, bulkier units.
The Shark NV752 Rotator is a classic workhorse in the lineup. It's a 2-in-1 powered liftaway that lets us detach the pod for overhead cleaning or reaching under the bed while keeping the brush roll powered. It's got a decent 0.88 quart dust cup and fingertip controls that make switching between floor types effortless. The LED headlights are a nice touch for spotting those hidden dust bunnies under the dresser. This vacuum is often cited as the best for pet owners, especially those with multiple dogs or cats. The suction is incredible and stays consistent even as the bin fills up. We've seen mixed reviews on the weight. Some find it light and easy to handle, while others think it's a bit of a lug to carry upstairs. One thing everyone agrees on is the cleaning result. It pulls up an embarrassing amount of dirt from clean carpets. It's a reliable mid-range choice that balances features and power. If you want a vacuum that just gets the job done without any fancy gimmicks, this is a very safe bet.
Moving on to the Shark NV501 Rotator Professional. This is one of the more versatile options because of its specialized accessory kit. It features a wide upholstery tool and a dusting brush that make it a beast for above-floor cleaning. Like the others, it has the lift-away pod and HEPA filtration, but the swivel steering here feels particularly snappy. It's designed to navigate around furniture and tight corners with ease. Feedback from users is overwhelmingly positive regarding the suction power across all surfaces. It's a favorite for pet owners who need to clean more than just the floors. Think mattresses, couches, and curtains. While some users find it heavy, many appreciate the solid build quality, suggesting it feels more durable than the newer plastic-heavy models. A few people mention the canister is a bit small, so we might find ourselves emptying it more often during deep cleans. Overall, it's a high-value pick for anyone who wants a thorough whole-home clean and needs a vacuum that can actually reach the ceiling and the sofa cushions effectively.
Finally, we have the Shark NV356E Navigator Professional. This is the vacuum for people with large houses and a lot of carpet. It features an extra-large 0.87 quart dust cup and a brush roll shutoff feature, which is essential for safely cleaning delicate bare floors. The suction is not only strong, but also adjustable, which is a rare and welcome feature. We can dial it back for area rugs so the vacuum doesn't try to eat them. Customers are obsessed with the performance here, often comparing it favorably to much more expensive premium brands. It's excellent at picking up stubborn pet hair and dander. On the downside, the cord length gets mixed reviews. Some find it perfect, while others wish it had a few more feet of reach. It can also feel a bit tip-heavy when the pod is attached and you're using the hose, so you have to watch your balance. But for raw floor cleaning efficiency and a bin that doesn't need constant emptying, it's hard to beat. It's a smart, budget-friendly powerhouse for families who have a lot of ground to cover. And that wraps up the top 5 best lift-away vacuums. If this video helped you out, don't forget to like, subscribe to Review Source, and turn on notifications so you never miss our latest home cleaning picks. We've put all the links in the description below. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.